Hey guys. Okay, so I'm gonna do this tag thingy. Is this 20 question tag, and I am doing it alone because Larissa is not here because she had moved somewhere an hour away from me, and now I'm gonna just do this by myself. Okay? Okay. Let's get started. Question 1. One thing you cannot leave your house without. My phone. No girl can leave their house without their phone, or I don't think anybody can. When you're a teenager, you cannot leave your phone at home. It's well known. And yeah, you cannot leave your phone home by itself without its mama. This is not my phone. I'm just saying. Favorite brand of makeup. My favorite brand would be. I don't wear makeup, so I only wear mascara, and currently I'm not wearing mascara, and I think I have last month mascara because I'm not sure where it is to be found or anything. And I'm sorry I'm looking over there because there's ants in my fucking room for no damn motherfucking reason. My favorite store. My favorite store is Forever 21. I think it's everyone girls 20's favorite store. I got my shirt from there. I got my leggings there. I got most of my clothing from there. I just love it. And yeah, that would be my favorite store. My favorite perfume. My favorite perfume would be that Lady Gaga perfume. It's really good. Or that Chanel one with the pretty, well, that is my favorite, have pretty scent, but yeah. They're my favorite. Heels or flats? Flats. But now it is.
¿Es alguien más?
No, it's no one.
O sea, tú solo que levante.
My dad is weird looking, but yeah, he just left. Okay, next questions. Heels or flats? I would prefer flats because heels, I cannot walk in them. I hate them so bad, like I don't understand. And or I will wear shoes, like tennis shoes. Oh, not tennis shoes, but yeah. Do I make good grades? Actually, currently I have B's and I have 1C, and it sucks because I don't like to have C's because I usually have B's, but I guess not this year. Do you drink energy drinks? I don't, because I heard that it's bad for you, and like your heartbeat starts like it beats a lot, like it starts beating really fast, and it's bad for you, and then you'll die. Well, for kids, teenagers and stuff, yeah. You can die from that, you guys. Do you drink juice? Yes, I drink juice. I drink ice thing. I forgot what it's called. I like the grape one. It's disgusting. Really disgusting. I don't know if you would consider it juice, but yeah, this one is disgusting. It's pink grape thingy. But this one is disgusting. I don't like it. It's full. I hate it so bad. I like the lemonade one and that other red one. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. Do you like swimming? Yes, I like swimming. I don't really go to the pool because I think my pool here where I live is disgusting. They do not know how to clean it. My dad, he tries to, but it's disgusting. Do you eat fries with a fork? No, unless like I have people around me that I'm not really comfortable with, and I don't want them I don't want them seeing me eat like a pig, and I want to try to eat fancy, and I try to get the fork. That is not really fancy. That's weird. That's just I look like a weirdo, I guess. You could call me one. What's your favorite moisturizer? What is that? Is that like lotion? Well, if it is lotion, it will be that Bath and Body Works one. Then how much for a pack? It will be this one. This one is my favorite. It smells so good. Like, I would recommend you guys to use it. But I actually well, I can say it. I have mixed this other lotion and this one together, and I made it into this one. It smells like really, really good. And I wish y'all were able to smell it and stuff, so y'all would see how good, like how good it smelled and stuff. Do you want to get married later on in life? I don't want to get married, honestly, because I feel like it is too much to handle, because you have to stay with one person your whole life. Like, I don't know. And well, I guess it depends on who you are with. Like, if you're like with a happy person and like someone that makes you happy and stuff, that I would, but I don't know. Do you get mad easily? I don't know if you would say that, but like there's a lot of stuff that annoys me. Like when people are immature and like they're old enough to know what is annoying from what is not. Like, it is like, shut up. If you like I don't know, if you're screaming in my ear and I have a headache and like I'm on my time, like I'm on my timing, do not scream in my ear, do not do all these retarded stuff, and do not laugh at stupid ass little kids that do not know what the hell they're talking about. Like, that's annoying. It gets really fucking annoying after a period of time. Starting to get sick talking about it. Are you into ghost hunting? The hell I look like, bitch, how far with ghosts? You leave ghosts alone if there are ghosts in my house, because I'm just playing. I don't hear stuff, but you know, sometimes you hear those creaky stuff on the floor, and then you hear I don't know, but last time I swear to God, like, I felt like there was something right there that was like scratching my wall. But it didn't really bother me. Like, if there's something that bothered me, but like that, it doesn't. I don't really get scared easily, but yeah, I don't like ghost hunting. Like, I want to leave them alone and let them in peace. And they have something to me that all they have to do is write in a paper that go away or don't sleep in this room or something. Like, that would be something I would like. Do I have any phobias? No. I can't really say I'm scared of heights, but yeah, I don't have any phobias. I'm not really scared of anything. I don't know. I'm scared. What freaks me out is when the ants are like all scrunched together, like they're all in a little group and they all look weird and stuff, and they're moving, like the little ant thing, like that, and they're like committing suicide, or I don't know what it is. Do you bite your nails? I don't really bite my nails. I'm just playing. I bite my nails because, like, I don't know, I feel like they be getting long. And a lot of things about them, like those little thingies that be sticking out, I don't know what it is your skin or something, is it dead? And like it sticks out and then you peel it off and then it burns, like you're dying or something, like that. Have you ever had a near-death experience? We were in the car. Okay, like, let me explain this to y'all. I can't hold the thingy because, yeah. Okay, pues, we were in the car, and, like, okay, I'm gonna do this for, just be like that. Okay, here's the passenger seat. No, here's the passenger seat, and here's the driver's seat, right? Okay. We are driving to the light thingies, and then this other car decides to come in, and he tries to get in our freaking way, and then like I almost got hit. Like, it kind of hit our car, and we went to the side, but like it didn't really hit us. My heart was beating so bad. Like, I thought I was gonna die. Like, Well, that's why it's a near-death experience. But yes, it was really tragic. Do you drink coffee? I drink Starbucks. I'm just playing. I've never really had Starbucks. I don't know why, but yeah. I'm gonna go try it someday. I heard that double chip chocolate chip thing is good. So I really like chocolate, so I'm gonna go try that out. I'm gonna try that when I go or whatever. And do I drink coffee? I drink the Nescafe thing. It's actually pretty. It's not that bad. But yeah. Okay. Well, that would be all. Those are all the questions that the tag had. And yeah, some of the questions were weird, but yeah. If y'all would, y'all should follow my Instagram. Y'all should follow my Instagram because that's all I have. I don't use Twitter because the Twitter is so confusing. I will put my Instagram below on the description thingies. And yeah, I hope you beauties enjoyed this video. And if y'all didn't, go watch these other videos, random videos that we've had. And yeah, I'm just kidding, I'm not gone yet. Well, yeah, okay, now I'm gone because I didn't get to say bye. So, bye guys.